sugar-free whipped cream, dark chocolate Oreos crushed up, cookie butter, muffin tins. We're going to a party this weekend. We're supposed to bring dessert. I saw Baked by Melissa make something like this on her page, and I was like, yeah, I'm stealing that idea. And it turns into like an icebox cake. Okay, I got one Oreo in each muffin tin, and then I'm gonna put a good dollop of whipped cream on top of each one. Melissa used a piping bag. I'm not that fancy. This is like 10 Oreo cookies that I banged the shit out of with my rolling pin. This melted cookie butter, I put it in the microwave for 30 seconds and stirred it up. Okay, we're gonna put them in the fridge for about 24 hours, and what's gonna happen is the cookies are gonna get softer, the whipped cream's gonna get harder, and this whole thing's gonna hold together as a unit. By the way, these are gonna be so good.
Follow Grown Up Dish for healthy-ish recipes, product reviews, and midlife musings.